Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Tera Irenes Stainless White Lotion. Stainless White Lotion by Tera Irenes is a luxurious fade milk cream that lightens, brightens and whitens your skin. It fades away patches and evens out your complexion to give you a beautiful glowing skin. This cream is a good skin lightening cream that works very fast in toning your skin. It will gently take you from dark color to chocolate and then to fair and then to white complexion with time. It is very effective and the result is visible in just 1 week. It doesn't require premixing to make it work. It contains sunscreen to protect you against harmful damaging rays of sunlight. This cream erases discolorations and improves your skin elasticity. It refreshes and revives the skin tone and texture. It also makes your skin fairer by reducing the production of melanin. It slows down the aging process and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots. It penetrates deep into your skin and makes it luminous, softer and satin smooth. This cream restores and revitalizes your skin. It also boosts collagen and elastin to maintain the health of your skin. It is made to eliminate dead skin cells. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.